art out today. Doing pretty dandy myself with my lovely assistant, little Luna Chan here. Well, she's gonna go do her own thing, I guess. Or just get right in front of my screen. Why not, right? Alrighty, so today we're going to be doing a very special video where we're going to ask the question, can Luna move it? No. We're going to ask the question, is it worth it? Now, today we have been sent a awesome product from Blitzwolf, which they're going to be having us test out on our review video today. Now, Luna's going to continuously get in our way, but we're going to ignore that and focus on the product. So, it is quite the tongue twister, but basically it is a versatile 3-in-1 Bluetooth mini extendable folding tripod and selfie stick. That is a lot to say, so we're just gonna call it the Bluetooth tripod selfie stick. I like it. But anyways, it's from Blitzwolf. It's this guy right here. You gotta take a look. Pretty cool stuff. And we have stolen Miao Yun's phone to oh yes, we do play World of Warcraft, to test it out. So let's go ahead and unwrap it. It is unadulterated, has not been looked at yet. So I have no idea what I'm doing. And let's take a look here. Hello, honey. Just gonna lay here, aren't you? Alrighty. Let us see. Alright. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Comes in a handy dandy, nice, clean paper. Oh, that's nice, actually. Oh, that's really nice. Push. Oh, all right. So we're gonna have to do some work here. This looks like it's USB here. All right, so we get some instrucciones. Alright. Where do we begin? Alright. So that is the camera button here. Turn that off maybe. Alright. Oh, that's fancy. Alright, so let's take a look at its selfie-ness first here maybe. Alright, that's cool. Alright, so you got the selfie product here. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and put her phone on it here. And I imagine there's a way it's gonna tighten right up here. Yeah, there we go. Alright. Not bad. So, it's got your selfie stick here, so you can be like, I am beautiful. Yes. Alright, so fully extends out here. And then we just shoot it right back in like your average selfie stick here. So you're good to go. You got your device here. It's got quite the swivel on it. Not bad. Oh, I just gotta turn a little knob here. Oh, there we go. Alright, wow, alright, cool. Yeah, that's tight. Look at that. So it's gonna fully swivel around. Alright. And then if we want to, like I said, it's also a tripod. Just gonna have to, oh, here we go. So you can see here, it's going to be on. Oh, she's in the way, so you got the tripod there. It's not too shabby. Yes, dear, you're in the way. So now we're going to test out the picture-taking capabilities. Let me make sure her Bluetooth is on here. Now, fortunately, I know her password, so we're good to go on that. Alright, maybe. Let's try. Ah, yeah, very good. Her Bluetooth is on. Okay. So we should be able to access said camera. Oh, yes. I gotta go into the settings, I bet, and actually turn on the Bluetooth connection to, let's see, the next device. Let's read the instructions here a little bit. See what we got going on. Right now it's currently doing some connections and whatnot. Alright. Let's see, base separation, camera button, look out honey. take a photo. Use the remote control to take a photo. Remote control. There was another item in here, I believe. Maybe? Yes. My bad. This is why we read directions, my friends. Alright. Nice. Maybe. Stand by, I'm going to come back after I read all these directions and figure out exactly what we're doing so we can fully review this. So, be a few moments. Okay, so I have the information that we need now that I've actually read the directions, which is very important. I highly advise to go with that first before you make any videos or do anything you want to do. So, moving on. So, as you guys can see here, camera within a camera. Alright, so let's turn that off here because we're going to go back into that here in a little bit. So, basically what I figured out here was that the remote is actually right on the front, which is extremely convenient. It's that flashing device here. So you can actually just pop it right off here. I figured it out again. Just do that, and you just slide it right. Oh, that's why the tripod's gotta be out. So it just slides right out here. I had the tripod down, that caused issues. And now you have yourself a handy dandy mini remote, so you can do whatever you need to do. So if we're gonna do this here, we'll do I don't know. You guys can see the wall there, and you see me. So with the remote, you can take photos like so. Easy enough, pretty cool. Yeah. You can also start your videos and whatnot. So this is a video of a video. Trippy, right? Oh, that's kind of cool. You're getting an inside look. Alright, so there's your video and all that good stuff as well, and you can stop it and play it and all that good stuff. So obviously when you're taking a selfie, you can either, do something like this and use your remote, or just literally just as easy, put it right back in its slot here and take photos just like this. Pretty cool. So, and then it goes back out, slides back out, no big deal. Pulls back up nicely, and then let's say you're doing a video like I'm doing right now, and you need yourself a tripod. You can literally just do something like this and go down as much as you want and have yourself a tripod, which is cool as well. It also comes with a swivel, or a new type of swivel that you can put in here, right? So you can see how I have it on a hamburger format right now, but if I wanted to do, or a hot dog format, hamburger. If I wanted hot dog format, I could use this swivel here, and I could actually just put it right on there, and then you're good to go, and that will take care of that for you. And just whatever format you want to use it on, or however you want it to be. So yeah, as you got full mobility here, goes all the way down, which is actually really, really cool. Goes all the way down here. You got turning, different things like that. You have to obviously loosen it up if you want to do that. Because it's tight so it doesn't fall all over the place. You can do all kinds of different things. You can adjust the angles if you need to. And then like I said, once you're done, you just literally just plop it right off. You're good to go. Slide it in. Boom, boom. And you are good to go. Oh, I forgot the remote, so that's giving me a little drama there. So you gotta put the remote right back in here. Just like so. And let me make sure I do this right here. And there you go. So now you have yourself... Oh, wait, did I do that right? Yeah, okay. So yeah, it conveniently stores right in here. Kind of looks like that flasher from Men in Black. Yes, that's actually pretty cool. I'm probably going to be using that from here on out. It's a very, very useful product. Again, a bit of a tongue twister. It is the Blitzwolf Versatile 3-in-1 Bluetooth Mini Extendable Folding Tripod and Selfie Stick. You can get it on Amazon right now. I believe it was about 22 bucks last time I checked. So I'll put a link in the description so you guys can see all the different things. It's got tons of good reviews. I think it had like 500 reviews on the site with on their particular site with like a 5-star. So it's got great reviews. I can't really see a problem with this product at all. I actually really like it. I'm gonna rate it a 9 on the Josh-O-meter. So everything is perfect. The only thing I don't like, which is actually just a small little personal quip. So the tripod itself doesn't sit as well. Like it does and doesn't. But if you push it up just a little bit like that, then it'll sit with no issue whatsoever. So it needs to actually be pushed up just about that much, which can make it kind of a long tripod. One of the other tripods that I use currently has spider legs and allows me to adjust the heights to different things. Other than that, I love the construction of it. I think it's extremely sleek. I am planning on going to Japan here in about 2 weeks. Holy crap, I'm going to go on a plane in Japan in 2 weeks. I'm not looking forward to it. Hate planes, but can't wait to go to Tokyo. I'm staying in Shinjuku, so I'm super excited. And I'm going all over the place. We're going to hit up Kyoto later as well, so there will be lots of Tokyo video as well. But yeah, I really, really like this, and I highly recommend getting it. Again, it's probably the best selfie stick that I've seen. It doesn't go super long, goes about this far, but I mean, how far do you really need to go on a selfie stick? I mean, that's going to take me quite the distance out. Add my arm in this, we're looking at probably about 4.5 feet of a stretch, so that's plenty, at least for me. Maybe other people might cause issues with that, but and obviously this opens up so you can make this quite a bit wider for some of your giant phones you have out there. But yeah, I actually really, really like this. I also love the fact that it's Bluetooth connection. It does come with the USB if you need to use that as well. And the battery's already included, so it's ready to go. Boom, boom, let's do it. But other than that, I think we're good to go. Thank you guys all for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I have a bunch of videos coming up in the future. I got some more Is It Worth It in the next couple of weeks. Just saw Death Wish tonight. That movie was fantastic. The critics are idiots. As you guys can see, they're giving it like an 18%, and then users give it an 84% on Rotten Tomatoes, which clearly there's a reason. I'm not going to get into that crap right now, but I will say that it is good, and you should go see it at the movies because Bruce Willis is amazing. Anyways, thank you guys all for tuning in, and I will see you guys next week, meow.